Hola mis amores! Welcome to my channel. For those that do not know, my name is Venus. Welcome. Make sure you subscribe so that you can join La Familia. And let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my herbal infused scalp massager. I always use a bottle of water and make sure you wash your rosemary. I will be using these silicone molds. I got mine at Hobby Lobby for $3.99, but you can definitely get this on Amazon or maybe Walmart. Now I'm just going to let it boil for a few minutes and then I'm going to turn it down on medium. If you're not using rosemary for your hair regimen, then I don't know what to tell you. You must not want your hair goals. But anyways, I was thinking, why not bump this up a bit? Why not add a little razzle dazzle? And that would be hibiscus, la flor de Jamaica. Some of the benefits of hibiscus are the same like rosemary. Stops hair loss, prevents split ends, treats dandruff, thickens hair, will add density, adds shine, softens the hair. I mean, it just makes your hair more manageable. Especially if you have locks, this is amazing to keep your scalp nice and clean. And those are just some of the benefits. I suggest you do your own research because it's definitely beneficial. After I let that simmer for a little bit, I'm going to transfer that and let it sit for another, I say 30 minutes. I put the lid on it and then I was like, you know what? Let me take the lid off. I don't know why I did that. 30 minutes is up, but if you want, you can let it sit longer, but 30 minutes is fine. I'm just gonna transfer it over to the silicone mold. Comment down below. I'm curious, would you try this? I saw it on TikTok and I was like, you know what? I gotta try this because I want to incorporate herbal rinses into my hair regimen more often. So yeah. And I love a good scalp massage. But let me say this, for my lock babes, my dreadheads, do not attempt to do this scalp massage with a fresh retwist. Please don't do it, because then you can kiss your retwist goodbye. Because that's what happened to me. I have a way of learning things the hard way, clearly. I'm going to speed this part up a bit because it's just me adding a little bit of rosemary. You don't have to, but I'm just being extra. I thought it'll look nice. And now you're ready to put it in the freezer. You can leave it in for an hour or two, take it out, and they are good, solid. I left mine in for like a day or two, I think. And yeah, I love using this on my scalp because it just feels so good. And the coolness of it just feels amazing. And bonus tip, because don't ever say I don't be giving y'all no bonus tip. You know I'm always putting you on. Bonus tip, early in the morning, before you do it on your hair, okay? Before you rub this on your hair, rub it on your face. Wake up. Buenos dias, mi amor. Desayunate. Wake up. You know, it wakes you up. And look how pretty it looks with the rosemary. I'm extra for a reason, okay? It's for a reason. And comment down below, do you like my nail polish? I'm starting to, I like it. I was thinking like it's too close to my complexion, but anyways, I digress. I'm going somewhere else with this. Look how pretty they look. Use it on your face. Use it on your scalp. Thank me later. All 2024, we are reaching our hair goals, our skin goals. Mentally, we're glowing up. Spiritually, we're glowing up. I'm too excited, y'all. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the likes, the shares, commenting down below. Like, the familia is growing. Thank you for subscribing. Mwah. See you in the next one.